back to me telling you guys 10 things to do when you're bored at home instead of just like scrolling on your phone. I'm someone who like stays home a lot, so I'm going to show you guys how I get through the day without being like super bored. So let's get into it. Okay, one thing you can do is just like watch a movie or just like rewatch your favorite shows. I'm currently watching Glee. I love Glee. It's like super funny and I love like music type of shows. But yeah, like watching a movie can just like help you like pass time. It can give you something to do instead of just like being like on your phone like the whole time. So yeah. Okay, another thing you can do is listen to music. I'm someone who loves listening to music. I love music. I just love listening to music, and it can help you like, you know, just like dancing around can like help your mood and stuff like that if you're feeling down. So yeah, like listening to music is another way to like help, you know, like if you're bored. So yeah. Okay, another thing you can do is just like try on new clothes. Like if you ordered some like new clothes, just like try it on, like have like a little like fashion show in your room. I love like trying on like new clothes that I bought. Just like try on like clothes in like your closet, like just have a little like fashion show. Like I do this like every now and then, and it's like super fun, so you should try it. Okay, another thing you can do is like learn a dance. Learning a dance can be like super tricky and like hard, but it can also be like very fun. It can help you like pass time. It doesn't have to be like a super like hard dance, but it's like a super like easy dance. Like just learning a new dance is like super fun, so yeah. Okay, next is to try out like new hairstyles. I know I mostly leave my hair down. When I was in Florida, like I was kind of like trying out like new like hairstyles. Like I did pigtails, I did like a bun and stuff like that. So it's nice to try out like new hairstyles, and yeah. Okay, if you're someone who likes makeup and stuff, you can also try out like new like different types of makeup looks. Like right now I'm doing a kind of like different like makeup look with the blue eyeshadow and stuff like that. So just like trying out new makeup looks is another fun thing you can do to help like pass time. Okay, another thing you can do is just like start baking or like cooking something. I mostly cook like breakfast stuff. I know how to make like grilled cheese too. I don't think grilled cheese is breakfast, but it's like cooking, just like making food for yourself is like super fun. I want to learn how to cook like other stuff, like, you know, more like advanced stuff like mac and cheese. But yeah, like cooking can be like very fun if you love food, and it can help you like pass time throughout the day. Okay, another thing you can do is like go for a walk. Just like go outside, like get some like fresh air. It's good to get like fresh air and like walking, get some like steps in. But yeah, just like going outside, going for a walk is another thing you can do to like help like cure your boredom. So yeah. Another thing you can do is you can start like reading a book. I know a lot of people don't really read books like in the summer. I know lots of people who read books, and it's also like reading books can also help like your like speech and stuff like that. I'm trying to read like more books. I started this like new book and I still need to finish it. But yeah, like reading books can actually be fun, so yeah. Okay, my last tip for you guys is you can learn how to play an instrument. I personally don't know how to play an instrument. I've been wanting to learn. My friend knows how to play the piano, like the keyboard, I think, and I'm kind of like jealous. But yeah, like I want to learn how to play an instrument maybe like this year if I have the time. I heard it can be like very fun, and it can also like cure your boredom too, so yeah. Okay guys, I don't even know if that was like 10, but hopefully it was. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and hopefully it gave you like something to do during the day. I know it can be like very like bored just like staying at home all day. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and keep up for more.